So, next step, we're going to be installing the Outback Motortek standard Pannier racks. We're going to start with the right side first, but to prepare for the installation, we're going to remove this and this from back here. We're going to use T40 Torx to remove these. I'm going to use a Torx, Torx 40 and a ratchet, and remove this. This is pretty easy. This one comes out. This is actually bolted into the subframe, and we're going to utilize the same space right there. And I'm going to remove this as well. Okay, next step, we'll remove the passenger foot peg. I'm gonna try to reach in here. This is a 6mm Allen socket. Yeah, and remove. I'm gonna loosen this front bolt. Okay, I'm gonna drop the ratchet now because we don't need it. It's in the way. Just gonna use my hand. I'm gonna remove the top fully. The top bolt comes out. Keep it because we'll put it back in. And now we supply these long spacers, and they will occupy this space. They will go, both of them will go here. So grab both, and you can start with either, doesn't matter. Just don't scratch up this bike now, and push the bolt through from the outer side, and the spacer remains on the inside. And just hand the thread. Okay, you can move to the other one. Spacer and the long bolt. And a hand thread. You might have to rattle it a bit, and up front as well in case it gets loose. Okay, now front end down here. Can put this bolt back in. So this tab goes in between the foot peg and the subframe mount, like so. I'll push this through, so it's going to come through. I'm going to line it up with a tab here. I can see it. I'll pull on it a bit. Okay, it's there. And hand thread the bad boy back in. and leave it loose. So it's confirmed. It's compatible with your Akrapovic exhaust muffler.
Yep.
There's sufficient space in between.
Vamos a por los soportes de maletas, los racks. En este caso son los estándar, ¿vale? Que hemos dicho antes, en la zona central, que es opcional en algunos modelos. Y en este caso necesitamos torx de 40, para sacar esta zona, y Allen del 6 para quitar el estribo, ¿ok? Pues vamos a empezar por arriba, por ejemplo. Ya veis que le puse unos mosquetones para poder atar cosas, porque de serie no va muy bien equipado, que digamos. Esto se va fuera. Vamos con esto. Como os he dicho, con una llave Allen del 6. Una. Y a ver si lo vemos. Justito. Y dos. ¿Cómo está así apretado? Vale, esto, el de abajo no hace falta que lo quitemos todo ahora mismo, el que sí del todo es el de arriba. ¿Por qué? Porque en este caso el soporte solo va fijado en el primer túnel, con lo que este guardadito por aquí y ese sigue con el original. Vale, uno. Pasamos. Y dos. Vale, están los dos y es aquí donde con esto volvemos a presentar con el Allen original. Ok. It's in. Yeah, it's in. Vamos. ¿Qué necesito aquí?
Cross brace. I believe it's going to go up here. Well, there will be room for the Moscow. Okay, so is this still rolling? So this is the last part here, and this is the cross brace pointing up. We'll drop it in, grab those 6mm bolts from the outside in, and then washer and nut.
El enlace para los racks, vale, que quede todo bien apretado. Llave fija del 8, de tubo del 10, de apretar.
And then 10mm socket or wrench on the nut side and 8mm on the hex head side. On my side, I will just use the 8 and 10. 10 on the inside, 8 on the outside. You're still having fun, Shorty?
Yeah, it's
Can you give me a thumbs up?